Hi everyone, welcome to Math 61. Today we will do some exercise, section 3.2. Number 1, simplify. Use a positive exponent for any variables. Assume that all bases are not equal to 0. So first we're going to see the definition first. The definition of negative exponent state that if, I need a pen, okay, if, okay, A is a real number other than 0 and n is an integer, then the formula is a to the negative n equal 1 over a to the n. Okay, so now our problem is, p to negative 7 over q to the negative 6. So we can write down p to negative 7 over 1 times 1 over q to the negative 6. After this, we just flip it, okay? So become 1 over p to the 7 times q to the negative to the 6 over 1. Okay, so now the answer become q to the 6 over p to the 7. Okay, it's not hard, yeah? So we just flip it to become negative, become positive, we just flip it. Okay. Now go to the number 2. The question is the same. So p to the 7 times p over p to the negative 1. Remember about the product rule. We add the exponent. So p to the 7 plus 1 over p to the negative 1. So this will become p to the 8 over p to the negative 1. So now use the quotient rule. So p to the 8 minus negative 1. Okay, so this will become p to the 8, negative times negative is positive 1. So this will become p to the 9. Okay, this is for the number 2. Now go to number 3. The same, the question is the same. Okay, so you have to simplify. Now for this one, you have to, there is a power, okay? So now m to the 4, the power 8 times m over m to the 16. Remember again, the power you have to time, yeah? You have to time. So now the answer become m. 4 times 8 is 32 times m to the 1. We can put like that, yeah? So m to the 16. Use the product rule, yeah? So become m, the exponent you edit 32 plus 1 over m to the 16. The answer become m, 32 plus 1 is 33 over m to the 16. Now use the quotient rule. So become m to 33 minus 16. The answer is m to the 17. This for number 3. Now go to number 4. I'm sorry, I have allergy. I've been running this, so I'm sorry about it. So now number 4. So simplify. We have the same question. Okay. So now the problem is r over r to negative 9 r to the negative 9. Okay, so now if we r over product rule, yeah, it means you edit the exponent, so become p negative 9 plus negative 9. Use the parentheses. So this will become r over p to the negative 18. So now use the quotient rule. Yeah, so become r to the 1. We can put 1 here, minus negative 18. So this will become r1. Negative times negative is positive 18. So r equal 1 plus 18, 1 to 19. Okay, this is for number 4. Now go to number 5. The same, yeah? Simplify. Okay, so now I just write down first 7x to the 4 y to the 5th over negative 9 x to the 4 y to the 7th. So just put number with number, variable x with variable x, and y with y, right? So 7 over negative 9 times x to the 4 over x to the 4 times y to the 5th, 7 over negative 9 times x to the 4 over x to the 4 times y to the 5th over y to the 7. Okay, so you can cancel this one, yeah, because this become 1, yeah. So now the answer become 7 over negative 9 times y to the 5th. Use the quotient rule, yeah, minus 7, because this is 7. This is 7. Yeah, so now 5 minus 7. So the answer become negative 7 over 9 times y. 5 minus 2 is negative 2. To become positive, so we have to flip it. We can put over 1 like this. So it becomes answer negative 7 over 9 times 1 over y squared. So we can write down again, is negative 7 over 9y squared. You see for number 6 and number 5. Now, number 6. Do the same thing. You have to simplify. Yeah. So now the problem is, I'll just write down here. X to the negative 1, y squared, the power is negative 3 over x to the 4, y to the 8. Oh, I'm wrong. I erase this one first, okay? I make a mistake. Okay, the whole thing is right, like this. So x to the negative 1, y squared over x to the 4, y to the 8. The power is negative 3. Okay? So now do one by one. Okay? This one first. Yeah. The negative 1 times this one first. Okay? So the answer become x negative 1 times negative 3, like this, yeah? So negative 1 times negative 3 times another one, y squared times negative 3, the power, yeah? Negative 3 over x to the 4, the power is negative 3 times y to the 8, the power is negative 3. Now we're going to solve, yeah? Just type the exponent. So negative, okay? X, negative 1 times negative 3, the answer is 3 times 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. So become y to negative 6 over 4 times negative 3 is negative 12, yeah? So x become negative 2, negative 12 times y, 8 times 3, negative 3, so become y to negative 24. Okay, so now we're gonna do, yeah, just look at for the x with the x side. So now the answer become, use the quotient, yeah, quotient rule. So x cubed minus, use the parenthesis, negative 12, follow this, yeah, that y to the negative 6 minus to negative 24. So this will become x 3 negative term negative is positive 12 side y negative 6 negative term negative become positive 24. Okay, so now the answer become so x to the 15 times y negative 6 plus 24, the answer is 18. Okay, so now we finish for number 6. Now number 7. The question is the same. You have to simplify. Okay, you have to simplify. So now negative 10 m to the 4th times n to negative 7 over 2 times m to negative 2 and to negative 3. So now we can put together number, variable m, variable n, and n. Yeah, so it becomes negative 10 over 2 times m to the 4th over m to negative 2 times n to negative 7 over n to negative 3. So the answer becomes 10. Negative 10 divided by 2 is minus 5, negative 5. Time, use the quotient rule. Okay, so m minus 5, negative 5. Time, use the quotient rule. Okay, so m to the 4th minus, use the parenthesis because negative number. Okay, time n to negative 7 minus, use the parenthesis, become negative number. So we can see. Okay, so now the answer become negative 5 m 4 plus 2 times n negative 7 plus 3. So the answer become negative 5 and the exponent is 4 plus 2 is 6 times n, the exponent negative 7 plus 3 is negative 4. You can put over 1. After that you flip it. That's right. So become negative 5 m to the 6 over n to the 4. This for number 7. Now number 8. The same, the question is the same. We have to simplify again. Okay, so now the problem is x y to the 4th, the power is 3 over x y, the power is negative 4. Okay. Now you can do x, the power is 3, y to the 4, the power is 3 over x, power is negative 4, y is negative 4. Okay, now it's time the exponent, yeah? There's an x cubed times y, 4 times 3 is 12 over x to negative 4, y to negative 4. Use the quotient rule now. Okay, so become x cubed minus negative number is we have to use the parenthesis. Okay, minus 4 times y, 12 minus negative 4. Okay, so this will become 3, sorry, x, I just erase this one first. So x, the exponent is 3 plus 4 times y, 12, negative times negative is positive 4. So now we can solve now. X to the 3 plus 4 is 7 times y, the exponent 12 plus 4 is 16. Okay, so this is for number 8. Now go to the number 9. Okay, do the same thing, simplify again. Yeah. So now the problem is a to the 4, b to negative 3, the power is negative 5 over 7a to the 4th, b to negative 1, the power is negative 2. Okay, so you do one by one, yeah? So now look at on the numerator first. So I put a to the 4 times negative 5 times b to negative 3 times the exponent is negative 5 over 7. The power is negative 2, a to the 4th, the power is negative 2, b to negative 1, the power is negative 2. Now we're going to solve this one. Yeah, so become 1 over, just use 1 by 1, yeah? That's right. So because I just put 7 to negative 2 times a, 4 times negative 5 is negative 20 times b, negative 3 times negative 5, the answer is 15 over, oh sorry, a, not 4. So a to the 4th times negative 2 exponent, you just times, so become a to negative 8 times b, negative 1 times negative 2 is 2. So, right? So now we can write down this one. So it becomes 7 squared. Yeah, you flip it because negative number to become positive exponent, you have to flip it. Okay, now use the quotient rule. Times a to negative 20 minus, use the parenthesis, negative 8 times b to the 15 minus 2. Okay, so then it becomes to the 15 minus 2. Okay, so then it becomes 7 squared is 49 times a to negative 20 plus 8 times b 15 minus 2 is, did I make a mistake for here? Oh no, 13, yeah? Okay, just make sure it's not make mistake. So now equal 49a negative 20 plus 8 is negative 12 times b to the 13. And you just flip it this one, yeah? So become the answer is 49 b to the 13 over a to the 12. Okay. This is for number 9. Now number 10. Write the following number in standard notation. So look at the exponent. The exponent is negative. Okay, so I just write down first. So 5.263 times 10 to negative 11. Okay, now for this one, you have to be, the exponent is negative, it means move the decimal point to the left. Okay, for example, I just put on the different area. I use the blue. Okay, 5.263. They say move because this is negative 11. So we start from point, you start from here, okay? Move to the left by 11. So become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and put down. Okay, so become, this is become, I put it on the top, just put the 0. Okay, so we can write down for this one become 0 point, how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 2, 6, 3. Okay, because negative move to the left side. Okay, to the left, sorry, to the left from the point decimal here. Okay, this for number 10. Now go to number 11. We have the same, yeah, but this is positive. Now because positive is mean go to the right. Okay, so now I just write down first the problem is 5 point, what the problem was 7, sorry. Problem is 7.286 times 10 to the 9. Okay, so I just use the blue. So 7.286. Because this is 9, it means from the decimal point, you move to the right by 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so you just fill out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6, yeah? So now the answer for this one become, okay, so now we put this one like this. Okay, this is the answer for number 11. Now go to number 12. Okay, you evaluate the following expression using exponential rule. Okay, so now you have to solve this one. You have to use the standard notation. Now the problem is 4.2 times 10 to the negative 3 times 2 times 10 to negative 1. So we can use the, so first, yeah, put 4.2 times 2 and 10 to negative 3 times 10 to negative 1. Okay, so 4.2 times 2, the answer is 8.4 time. Remember, this is time, exponent, we just add it, yeah? So 10 to negative 3 minus 1, yeah? So the answer becomes 8.4 times 10 to the negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. So remember, go to the left because negative is mean go to the left. Okay, I just write off on the different color. So become 8.4. It means you move to the left by 4 from this point. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you just put this dot, become 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the answer become equal 0.00084. Okay. This is for number 12. Now number 13. We have the same thing, yeah? But this is fraction. Okay, now I just copy this one. So 2 times 10 to negative 1 over 10 times 10 squared. Okay, so we can write that. So 2 over 10 times 10 to negative 1 over 10 squared. Okay, so 2 divided by 10 is 0.2 times 10 to negative 1. Use the quotient 0.2 times 10 to negative 1. Use the quotient rule, yeah? Is minus 2. So the answer becomes 0.2 times 10 to negative 3. Okay, so you can write down again. Okay, so because I just put over here 0.2 because it's negative 3, it means you start from the point here. Yeah, move to the left by 3. 1, 2, 3, and point. So you just fill out the blank with 0. So the answer for this one equal 0.0002. That's right. Okay, this is the last one. So I hope everybody can understand. If you have questions, just let me know. Send me email, make appointment. We can do virtual. Okay. See you. Bye bye.